being in control of your capacity and managing it with a productive strategy. Capacity planning can be defined as the operational capacity of an organization. Maximize the workshop throughput with the same technicians. Your capacity is limited by your attended hours, so let's make them more productive. Concise visual work schedule with buffer control gets you in pole position. Let's drive the stress levels down for everyone when there is too much work in progress. Deliver expectations way ahead of your competitors. You're in it for the long haul. Working on the highest priority job first. Why would you work on anything else? Plus, it gets more jobs through. At a glance, see if you have the correct amount of technicians to your work capacity horizon. A clear, structured workday for technicians prevents frustration and burnout, or in this case, wipeout. Deadlines to meet. Front of house wants stability and their expectations rise. Happy and satisfied customers is the goal. They come back and tell others.
But let me tell you something. It's news to me.
Using our software for scheduling instead of your Bodyshop management system gets results. Here are some examples. Example 1 and 2. Two direct line body shops in the UK that started using our software increased their throughput. The first body shop from an average 69 jobs per week to hitting a fantastic 100 jobs in 1 week. Their weekly average became 90 jobs, a 32% increase from when they started. The second body shop increased their throughput from an average 115 jobs per week to an impressive average of 140 jobs per week. A 21% increase from when they started. They were already using a Bodyshop management system and using lean thinking. Example 3 and 4. A busy body shop using our software reduced their courtesy car fleet by 10 vehicles after 6 months. Another body shop using our software reduced their technicians by 4 over a period of 6 months. And they still completed the same output of jobs during this time, that being an average of 45 per week. This was to their surprise, as they hadn't realized until we sat down with them to do a review on how things had gone during the last 6 months. It has to be said that all the body shops using our software in these examples followed all the rules we laid out before them, before they committed to taking the software on. They also couldn't believe how, just following the rules of engagement, they got the results you have just read. Adding, we don't think they regretted their decision when it came to reviewing their profit and loss at the end of the year, either. Time to reflect so far with a quick summary. More jobs per week, same people, same body shop, same equipment, sold, more labor, more parts, more paint and materials, more miscellaneous items. Difference. Wanting to change to a different way of doing things. Using our software, following the rules. Applying lean thinking. Applying theory of constraints, TOC. Applying a new mindset. That's everyone. Has to be led from the top down.